Now, New York's #1 news. Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
From the numbers in Westchester County, and tonight they're reporting more than 24,000 confirmed cases with 776 deaths. A hospital in White Plains now equipped with 100 new medical face shields. Thanks to that teenager with a 3D printer, 17-year-old Arjun Dayal, donated the homemade shields this afternoon to White Plains Hospital. The masks, critical personal protection equipment for workers on the front lines, as we know. Dayal says he's fighting the COVID-19 pandemic one mask at a time.
I know that these will go to help to many doctors, nurses, and techs on the floor who are doing the jobs that they need to do, and it's so important to our community. So to be able to help with any way I and my friends can, it's really been a pleasure to work with all of these hospitals, including White Plains Hospital.
What a magnificent attitude. Arjun plans, he says, to donate 3D printed face shields to hospitals across our region and across the country. What a great job.